Have you come across the moments when everything seemed absolutely hopeless and suddenly there was a ray of light? Things turned out to be so positive beyond your expectations. We get such miracles pretty often in life, and yet we almost always feel deprived of those miracles. There are people who, of course, enjoy life full of such miracles, and their life seems to be a miracle itself. Now, how does that miracle happen? If you understand the computer, you will understand a lot of phenomena about the mind and its capacity to create miracles. Our minds are like computers, and we're all connected to the main server and the cloud consciousness. We can retrieve the data and we can also give commands based on the rules that we have created. A limited life that we live is based on the rules that we have created. If we can challenge the rules and remain connected to the cloud consciousness and keep sending our requests and demands, through cloud consciousness we can also connect to many more computers, and together we can create miracles. Now, this sounds very theoretical. However, with little training and little mind management and little meditation, we can connect to the ultimate and allow ourselves to be facilitated by the divine intelligence. That intelligence which is governing all of us. We are all looked after, we are all taken care of, we are all supported, and we are all gifted with several resources. Make the best out of this connection. You may call this connection with the divine, with God, with the masters, with whatever you want, it doesn't matter. It's connecting to some higher frequency, that frequency which is connected to all other frequencies, other human beings and elements in the universe. And through this connection, we often can create miracles. Not only that, we are often guided and supported. Unfortunately, we do lose this connectivity and then feel lost and then go through major suffering in life. All you have to do is restore this connection. Each one of us have a special way of connecting and restoring this connection. Some through meditation, some through breathwork, some through their prayers, some through their actions. Some connect by just going out into the nature, and many people connect through their art. When you do anything where you feel totally immersed and one with the universe, you're already connected. You may or may not have to go to a special place. You may or may not have to go through rituals. It's just that moment of oneness with the entire universe which can shift your life. Even if you have everything that you ever wished for in life, And if the connection is missing, you might feel little incomplete and lost in life. And on the other hand, if you are totally connected, you feel fulfilled, complete, and totally in a divine space. However busy you are, however challenging life you're going through, make sure that you find some time to restore this connection periodically. And make it a way of life. Let your life be inspired through this connection on an ongoing basis. Meanwhile, let's recite a few radical statements that can help you restore the connection, and also that can help you to continue maintaining this divine connection. I'm going to use some of the keywords which are known as catalyst keywords. To know more about these keywords and to learn more on how to design your own personalized individual statements, visit www.isolvelife.com and join one of the courses and start learning for yourself. Let's recite now. With radical consciousness, I purify my connection with the ultimate consciousness. With radical consciousness, I purify my connection with the ultimate consciousness. With radical consciousness, I purify my connection with the ultimate consciousness. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to get guidance. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to get the guidance. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to get the guidance. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to manifest. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to manifest. With radical consciousness, I purify my ability to manifest. With radical consciousness, I purify the experience of oneness. With radical consciousness, I purify the experience of oneness. With radical consciousness, I purify the experience of oneness. With the radical consciousness, I purify myself through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify myself through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify myself through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify my life through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify my life through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify my life through the connection with the divine. With radical consciousness, I purify my soul. With radical consciousness, I purify my soul. With radical consciousness, I purify my soul. Keep reciting, stay tuned, and live an awesome life, spreading awesome vibes.